Good morning, all of you. I Razia Patel from Namaji Vidyapith Standard 5. So, students, today we will start in a unit number 7, unit number 2, worksheet number 17. Division is there, division exclamation question is there. So, we will start that worksheet number 17, page number 44. So, let's see that. So, students, here we have to write standard 5th, subject maths. Unit 2, worksheet number 17. Now, so students, in that worksheet, question number 1 is 1837 divided by 24 is there. So students, what we have to do here, we have to write the step number 1. Then we have to write 18,000 divided by 20. In a bracket, we have to write round off. What we have to write? Round off. हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, 18,000 है, उसका नियरेस्ट राउंड ऑफ हमने ले लिया. ठीक है. सो 1870 इज है. सो हमने जो 3 and 7 थे उसको 0 में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. सो हियर 1800 इज है. 24 nearest 1000 is nearest tens is 20. So we have to write here 20. Then step number 2, we have to cut the 0, cancel the 0 like this. So step number 2, 180 divided by 2, and in a bracket we have to write like that, cancel the zeros. Step number 3, we have to closest complement numbers to the dividend that can be divided by the divisors, that we have to find. So here we have to write step number 180 divided by 2. In a bracket we have to write like that, closest we have to write here, closest completable number to divide that can be divided by the divisor. Step number 4, 18 divided by 2 is equal to 2 9s are 18. In a bracket we have to write, divide the non-zero divide with the divisor. Step number 5. So answer is 9. We have to cut 0 here, so that 0 we have to write here. So our answer is 19. And in a last we have to write in a bracket, put the 0 back. मतलब that means हमें वापस से 0 रखना है. Now students, हमें सबसे पहले क्या करना है, whenever we'll start the estimation question, at that time first of all we have to round off nearest 1000 or nearest 100 we have to find. So 837 is there, so nearest 100 is 800, right, because of the 3 is the smallest number to 8. So here we have to write 18,800. 24 nearest tens is 20. राउंड ऑफ हम लोगों ने कर लिया. ठीक है. देन स्टेप नंबर 2, वी हैव टू कट 110. सो 18 डिवाइड बाई 2 Then we have to find the closest number of the division. So what we have to do, we have to cut the 0. So 18 divided by 2, 2 nines are 80. Again we have to put the zeros there, 0, put the 0 back, so we'll get the answer 19. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute, so you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start second one, B1 question. So in a B1 question, 5345 divided by 46 is it. So what we have to do students, step number 1, first of all we have to round up. Step number 1, 5000 divided by 50. Yes, round off. In a bracket you have to write here round up. Step number 2, we have to write here, we have to cancel 1 0. So 500 divided by 5. In a bracket we have to write here, cancel the zeros. Then step number 3, 5500 divided by 5. We have to find the closest division. Then step number 4, now students we have to cancel 2 zeros, so here we have to write 5 divided by 5 and in a bracket divide the non-zero. And step number 5, 100 and in a bracket we have to write that put the 0 back, put the zeros back. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute, so you have to complete your work. Okay, I hope so students your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Now students, C1 question. So in a C1 question, 2075 divided by 41 is this. So what we have to do, First of all, we have to write the step number 1. We have to find the nearest number. So 2000 divided by 40. Nearest number of the 2075 and nearest number of the 41 is there. So here is the answer is 2000 divided by 40. We have to do the round off. Then step number 2 is 200 divided by 4 is there. So we have to write here, cancel the 0. We have to cancel 110. So 200 divided by 4 is there. Then step number 3 is the 200 divided by 4 closest completable numbers to divide that can be divided by the divisor. Then in step number 4 we have to write like that 20 divided by 4. So answer should be 5. So divide the non-zero divide with the divisor. Divide को हमें divisor के साथ divide करना है. Then step number 5 we have to put 0 again. So answer should be 15. Put the 0 back. So students, this one is the question number 3rd one. Now question number 4th. That 4009 divided by 31. So in that step number 1 is we have to do the round of 4000 divided by 30. We will cancel the 0. So step number 3 is 400 divided by 3. Step number 3, 390 divided by 3. Closest complements numbers to division that can be divided by the divisor. हमें closest number find करना है जो easily हम divide कर सके divisor के साथ. So that number is 319. Then step number 4, 39 divided by 3. We have to cancel the 0. So answer should be 30. Divide the none of the 0. Divide with the divisor. In the step number 5, 130. Put the 0 back. So हमने यहाँ पे 0 बैक वापस से 0 रख दिया. So आंसर हमें मिल गया 130. Now students, I'll give you one minute. You have to complete your work. You have to write the sum number C and D both in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start E1 sum. So students, in that sum, here is a question 7174 divided by 24. So students, what we have to do, we have to round off first. So 7000 divided by 20. We have to cancel 1 0. So step number 2 is our 700 divided by 3. Step number 3, 720 divided by 2. Why 720 divided by 2? Because of the closest complements number to the divine that can be divisible by the divisor. And then the 72 divided by 2. So answer should be 32. Divide the non of the 0. Divide with the divisor. And step number 5. In the step number 5, 360. सो वी हैव टू पुट द 0 बैक. यहाँ पे हमें जो आंसर मिला वहाँ पे हमने ये जो 0 हमें कैंसिल किया था वो हमने इन द लास्ट में स्टेप नंबर 5 में रख दिया है. देन स्टेप नंबर नाउ F1 सम 1902 डिवाइड बाई 24 इज दैट. So step number 1 is first of all we have to round off that. So our क्वेश्चन इज 180 डिवाइड बाई 30. देन वी हैव टू कैंसिल द ज़ीरो. हमें क्या करना है, ज़ीरो को कैंसिल करना है. तो स्टेप नंबर 2 है वो हमारा क्या आएगा हमारे पास 180 डिवाइड बाई 3. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड द क्लोजेस्ट डिवीज़न, जिससे हम अच्छे से डिवीज़न करें तो हमें आंसर क्विकली मिल पाए. ठीक है. So 18 divided by 3 is there. So our step number 4 is 18 divided by 3. So we'll get the answer 6. 6 3s are 80. So divide the none of the zero, divide with the divisor. हम लोगों ने ये कैंसिल कर दिया ज़ीरो और उसके बाद हमने डिवाइड किया तो हमारे पास आंसर क्या मिला 6 is there. Then again we have to put the zero in the step number 5. So 16 put the zero back. Step number 5 is a 16. This one is our answer. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next question. Question number G and H, that will start now. So students, in that 9863 divided by 51. So we have to find the round of first. So step number 1, 10,000 divided by 5 is there. 20,000 divided by 5 is there. Then we have to cancel the 0. That means step number 2 is 1,000 divided by 5. Step number 3, 1000 divided by 5, we have to find the closest division. So closest division is our 10 divided by 5. That means we have to cut the 1 and 2 0 here. So 10 divided by 5. So answer should be 2. 5 2s are 10. So divide the none of the 0 division with the divisor. So we'll get the answer 2. हमें आंसर क्या मिलेगा 2. And in a last step number 5 is 200. पुट द ज़ीरो बैक. जो हमने यहाँ से 2 0 कट किए थे वही ज़ीरो हम लोग लास्ट स्टेप में रख रहे हैं. सो विल गेट द आंसर 200. अगेन आई रिपीट, हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे राउंड ऑफ किया. सो हमें यहाँ पे आंसर मिला 10,000 डिवाइड बाई 15. देन वी हैव टू कैंसिल द ज़ीरो. सो 1000 डिवाइड बाई 5. Then 1000 divided by 5, we have to find the closest number to divisor and divisor. So that means 10 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, so we have to write here 2. Then we have to put the 2 0. So answer should be 200. Answer should be 200 because of the that जो ज़ीरो हम लोगों ने 2 0 कट किए थे वही ज़ीरो हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे रख दिया है. ठीक है, दैट्स रीज़न. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 2,75,641 divided by 96 is there. So step number 1 is we have to do the round of first. So step here we have to write this 3 lakhs divided by 100. 3 lakhs divided by 100. Then step number 2, we have to cancel the 0. If we have to cancel the 2 0 here, so our answer is step number 2 is 3,000 divided by 1 is there. Now we have to find the closest division. If we are finding the closest division, so that number is 3 divided by 1. Because of the we have to cancel the 3 0 here. So 3 divided by 1. So answer is 1. Answer is 3. Because of the we have to cancel the 0 here. And step number 5. In a step number 5, answer is 3,000. Why? Because of the that 3 0 we have cancelled it here in the step number 3. That 3 0 we have to put in the step number 5. So answer is 3,000. Put the 0 back. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 17, and that worksheet you have to send it to me before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. You have to complete your work and send it to me homework before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.